see, Austin.
Hi, Austin. Look at my boy go.
Look at Austin go. Come on, Mr. Austin. What?
He's gonna get me. He's gonna get me.
Oh, he's going down.
You got Mom. Hello. Let's turn it around, okay? Okay. Chuck, come get Austin to walk.
Come on, Austin. Austin, going the wrong way. Come on, Austin.
We hit a roadblock.
Walk. Come on, Austin. Come on.
Where are you going? Ooh, plastic bag. That's always fun. Ooh, an extension cord. Even more fun. I want to see some more walking action, kiddo. Let's see some more walking action. You're gonna be one soon. We gotta get going on the walking. Oh no, he's coming after me. He's coming after me. Uh-oh, we hit a roadblock again. He's gonna go for it on his knees. Hi, Willie. Austin. What'd you just find? What are you eating? Bah. What's Willie doing? Boogie boogie. Austin. What's Willie doing? Who's my boy? Uh-oh, he's coming in for the close-up. Hey, Austin, what are you doing? Quit playing with Mom's camera. Quit playing with Mom's camera. You gonna get my pants? He wants my lens cap. He wants my lens cap. But he can't have it.